In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove members to your Outlook contact group. Whether you're organizing a team project, planning an event, or managing a contact list, knowing how to efficiently modify your contact groups in Outlook can make communication smoother and more effective. So let's dive right in and simplify this process. First, let's head over to the Microsoft Outlook page using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the page, you'll find the Sign In option. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Be sure to enter your email and password accurately on the sign-in page, then click the Next button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to complete that step as well. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice several icons neatly lined up. Look for the one labeled People and click on it. This section is essentially your hub for managing contacts and contact groups. It's where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing who you can email together in batches. Upon entering the People tab, you'll be greeted with the option to manage your contacts. To add or remove members from a contact group, first locate the specific group that you want to modify. You can do this by scrolling through your list or using the search feature to quickly find the group in question. For adding new members, once you've opened the contact group, look for an option that says Add Members. When you click this, you'll typically be given a choice to add members from your existing contacts list. Select the contacts you want to include in the group, then confirm your selection. Those contacts will now be added to the group, and you can start communicating with them via email as a collective. Now, if you need to remove a member, it's just as easy. Within the same contact group, identify the member you wish to remove. Select their name and then look for an option like Remove or Delete. Confirm your action when prompted. This will take them out of the group without deleting their contact information from your overall contacts list, keeping things neat and organized. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly manage your Outlook contact groups, ensuring you have the right people included and easily able to communicate with them all at once. This tool not only saves time, but enhances your productivity in managing email communications. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.